Hi guys. In this video we are going to teach you a simple step-by-step process on how to start a trucking company in the Philippines. Welcome to Intro to Trucking 101. First step. Think hard on which type of trucking company you are going to be. It is best to stick to a certain type at first, then you may mix and match later on. Number 2. Think of a name for your company. Think of at least a minimum of 3 names. This will help you choose later on based on availability. Step 3. Register your company with DTI/SEC and BIR. Step 4. Look for a garage. You may rent or buy, it is up to you. I have stated the pros and cons of renting versus buying below. See and decide which one is more feasible for you. It doesn't have to be big right away, you may expand as you grow your trucking company. Number 5. Apply for all the necessary business permits you will be needing to operate your trucking business, including PESA, LTFRB, etc. if necessary. Step 6. Secure a startup funding for the following. Letter A. Registration and documentations. Letter B. Business permits and licenses. Letter C. Truck maintenance fees. Number 7. Choose the right truck for you. By now, you should have already decided on which kind of truck you are going to build your fleet with. Here are the things to consider before purchasing one. A. Price. B. Garage size and location. C. Pre-owned versus brand new. Step 8. Look for a truck dealer. I can help you with this. You may send me a private message if you need assistance with this one. Number 9. Secure contracts from potential clients and you're almost good to go. Last but not least, at step 10. Hiring personnel. This is one of the most important steps. Letter A. Try to interview several candidates before hiring one. Make sure you do background check on them. Letter B. Look for a trusted mechanic. This one is crucial if you're getting pre-owned units. Doesn't need to be full-time, an on-call mechanic will do. If you have further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I will try my best to answer them as soon as I can. Good luck on your journey. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like and subscribe.